Okay, so I bought this pressure washer from Amazon back in October during one of the lightning deals. And with it spring now and the temps warmer, getting out here to the patio and trying to use it on my patio to clean it off, and the motor keeps on revving up and down constantly. It doesn't get like a constant pressure. It seems to be like, I don't know, the motor cycling or something. So right now I have a 15-degree tip on it. I've used several different tips, 0 degrees, 40 degrees. It doesn't matter what tip I use. It seems to always cause this issue. So let me go here and turn it on here. Let's get it going. See how it's like revving up and down, revving up and down. I expected it to be constant pressure, like, you know, the same pressure the whole time while I'm using it. Let me try it here again.